Water is crucial for daily tasks like cooking and cleaning. In winter, cold water can make these chores uncomfortable. Some even need hot water. Traditional ways to heat water take time and use a lot of energy, which can cost more. An instant hot water dispenser helps with this. This device uses heating coils to warm water quickly and efficiently when you need it. It's better than old methods and has become essential in many homes. When choosing one, it's important to consider few key factors. Factors to consider: 1. Tank capacity. 2. Material. 3. Wattage. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 instant hot water dispenser currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at WaterDrop WD-KJ600 Hot Water Dispenser. The WD-KJ600 from WaterDrop shines with its exceptional functionality and efficient water usage. This undersink system provides a robust flow of 600 GPD and maintains a 2:1 pure-to-drain ratio. It dispenses both cold and instant hot water, suitable for cooking and instant drinks. The 5-stage deep filtration system ensures a reduction in contaminants, delivering pure drinking water. The smart display faucet shows real-time TDS levels and filter conditions. Safety features include a child lock and scald-proof design. Installation is simple for those with DIY skills, and the sleek dispenser enhances any kitchen. However, its high functionality means higher initial and maintenance costs. At number 2, Insinkerator H Hot 100 SNSS Hot Water Dispenser. Adding both style and efficiency, this H Hot 100 SNSS Instant Hot Dispenser from Insinkerator is ideal for any kitchen. This model is equipped with a compact, push-button side faucet and a 2/3 gallon stainless steel tank. It offers easy temperature control from 160 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, providing instant hot water. Perfect for speeding up meal preparations like pasta or vegetables, this dispenser is easy to install with a single hole in your countertop, ideal for DIY enthusiasts. The stylish design fits modern kitchens and pairs well with various faucets. Some users may prefer professional help for setup to avoid any issues with temperature control. At number 3, Ready Hot 40RH 200SS Hot Water Dispenser. For those needing reliable hot water, this 40RH 200SS from Ready Hot is a perfect choice. With a manual temperature dial, users can set temperatures from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making it great for both drinks and cooking. Its 2.5-quart stainless steel tank and 1,300-watt heating element can deliver over 60 cups of near-boiling water per hour. Installation is easy with its undersink design and quick connect parts. Some users find adjusting the temperature requires trial and error, and the need for compatible faucets may limit customization. Despite this, its energy efficiency and rapid recovery make it ideal for busy kitchens. Now number 4, Insinkerator Instant Hot Water Dispenser. This H Hot 100 SNSS Hot Water Dispenser from Insinkerator is perfect for those who want style and functionality in their kitchen. It has a sleek, push-button side faucet and a 2/3 gallon stainless steel tank. You can easily adjust the water temperature from 160 to 210 degrees Fahrenheit, providing near-boiling water instantly. It's great for making hot drinks quickly or speeding up cooking tasks like boiling pasta or vegetables. This unit enhances your kitchen's look with its modern design, fitting seamlessly with various kitchen faucets. Installation is straightforward for DIY fans, but some might hire a professional to ensure proper setup and avoid overheating. The Insinkerator combines efficiency, style, and convenience, making it a top choice. Now our last product is Ready Hot 41RH 300F 570BN Hot Water Dispenser. Ideal for busy homes or small offices, this 41RH 300F 570BN Instant Hot Water Dispenser system from Ready Hot provides over 60 cups of near-boiling water per hour. With precise digital temperature control adjustable between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 208 degrees Fahrenheit, it is perfect for making tea or instant meals. The 2.5-quart stainless steel tank ensures durability and consistent performance, with a stylish brushed nickel faucet. Installation is simple, with clear DIY instructions and minimal plumbing needed. The digital display makes it easy to use, showing the set temperature and operational status. While efficient, the digital parts may need occasional maintenance, and their high performance comes with a higher price. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.